Here I have JAECOO 5, and on this example let me show you how to use door opening warning feature on JAECOO cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select the settings button, or you can use also the car icon at the bottom of the screen just to open the settings. Then let's use the left menu to select here the driver assistance. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you can find door opening warning. So this feature is designed primarily for urban environments. This safety feature prevents you or your passenger from opening a door into incoming traffic. When you are parked, side radars monitors cars and cyclists passing from behind. If someone tries to open a door while a vehicle or cyclist is approaching, a warning chime sounds and light flashes to keep you from hitting them. It's quite useful to use it. You've got here also the definition from the JAECOO. When this function is activated and you open a door to exit the vehicle, the system detects fast approaching obstacles on both sides of your vehicle, and it will warn you in case there is a risk of collision. So you can enable or disable it just by using this switcher. I prefer to have this enabled. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.